So I have a room, and that's like very small room. Size of the room is like 7 feet by 7 feet. Here's the main gate. It's the main entry, and we have a level difference over here. Here we have 2 doors, and this again level difference is there. And this is our dining area. This is visitors room. So we have this very small room with us. It's like a chamber, just like a chamber, and the width of the room is like 7 feet by 7 feet. And the interesting part about this room is like the height of the room is also 7 feet, and that's what make it very small, you know. What I wanted to do in this room is like to use neutral colors and to use vertical pattern. And that too, again, as we do not have much of time with us to do the renovation, we'll be using the paint finish. It's like to use vertical stripes, so it create a illusion of good height. So the color right now I'm using for drawing is like too loud. I'm not gonna use this, but we'll be using neutral colors pattern. To make the pattern, what I'm using is like masking tape. ड्राइंग में मैं अभी स्केल और ये सब का यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट लेकिन वॉल पे मैं I'll be using masking tape to make the patterns and proper straight lines. So with the same neutral colors, I'll be making a pattern, plain paint, and another but with some texture. So this is what the design idea is. Let me take you to the site now. How is it coming? और पेंट काफ़ी हो चुका है, लेवल नहीं थे, they were busy doing. मुझे लगा ये छोटा सा काम मैं ही क्यों ना finish कर दूँ. So I myself am doing it, and let me take you to the site. So welcome to the site. So first I'll finish this work was going on, and I myself did this work because the painters was not available. So I wanted to have this rough texture, one with plain, and then the rough texture. It does look as it is. Also I'm liking it, but still I'll show you the exact effect of this room then. And as for me, it looks amazing. It's looking very height now, though they not done any construction changes in this, but it is looking height. It looks beautiful. So after a lot of hard work, look at this, how tired I am. Finally I'm done with my designer wall, and it looks amazing. Actually the thought and the plan was to do only different color, 2 different color stripes, and finish it till up that. So this is how I came up with the idea to make less of effort, less of work, less of paint, and here I am with again another design. So keep watching my channel, do like, share and subscribe. I do share with you how do I prepare this wall with 2 colors and 1 existing color already there in the wall. And rest of the wall we have the white color in this room because it's a very small room. Still some interior things are pending in this room, so I don't want it to look smaller, you know, tight and all these things. Again, the ceiling of this room is like very low, so to give a effect of making it look little height, I have stripes pattern, and it look amazing. Fully satisfied, fully happy, very happy with the design. And so hope you guys also will like it. Do like, share and subscribe me, and if you want, contact me for more designer ideas. And now it is time for us to remove the masking tape. So here we are removing the masking tape, and this is the friend of ours, A. Karthikeyan. As I shared in the last video also, he is the contractor who handled all our work, interior works. He collected the labors and he fixed everything like ceiling work and flooring, painting, everything, lot of things, and very helpful person. He is working as a contractor for all interior architecture projects in Trichy and areas around. So any of you guys, if you want to contact him, if you want you are looking for architecture interior contractor, you can contact. And another thing about him, as he is a friend to us, so I like to share that he is a goldsmith also. They have their family business of making gold jewelries. So they are not open the showroom, but they do the design. They have a workshop, so they can design any kind of jewelry you want to have. So if you want to make any special jewelry, special gold jewelry or anything, gold silver jewelry, anything, you can contact him, A. Karthikeyan. And currently he is in Trichy, but handling the projects around and nearby area. So this is how the wall is looking now, and it's taking time, and slowly we are taking the masking tape out, and then I need to decor this room as if now paint itself is looking so amazing. And hope you guys also like it. Please do keep encouraging us by liking and subscribing the video. We'll be always waiting for your valuable comments. Thank you. Bye bye.